We are live on Instagram. Happy Sunday. We are announcing our final two winners of the Live Well Jamaica COVID-19. Okay, Makeda and I are announcing the final winners of the Live Well Jamaica COVID-19 grocery grants. Alright, so I know Instagram is giving you some time to come in. Hi Frame It JA. You're becoming a regular. I really appreciate it. And we are live over on Facebook. Alright, as you come in, just tell me if you are aware of our grocery grant, right? And if it is that you are one of the winners. We are selecting in the first stage 5 winners. So we already announced 3 and we have 2 winners to announce today. These winners are walking away with $20,000, well, groceries at a value of 20,000 Jamaican dollars. And the winners of this grocery grant, they are basically receiving it as they have identified how much they are in crisis, financial crisis due to the COVID-19. Must give special thanks to our sponsor, Nurse Tia Hamlet out of Canada, and of course the supermarket partners. So we're getting right to business. We are going to call our 4th winner. Alright, so my producer, you may go ahead. Assistant producer is quiet now. Hi, Frame It says she wants to come on the live. Who wants to come on? Oh yes, Makeda wants to come on the live. Possibly. Alright, so I'm bringing it closer so that you guys can hear. So the phone is ringing. Let me know if you're hearing the ring.
Hello?
Oh, it seems like we lost Instagram. Good afternoon. Am I speaking with, or let me first say, we're calling you from Live Well Jamaica. Are we speaking with our Clarendon winner of the COVID-19 grocery grant?
Yes, you are.
Alright, so we're not identifying you by name, right?
Okay.
We're not identifying you by name, just by parish. So you are our Clarendon winner, and I must say, congratulations.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Yes. Alright. What was...
I just want to say thank you so much.
I am not, hold on. I'm not hearing you so clearly. Is it possible for you to...
Are you hearing me now?
Is a little better. Yes,
Okay,
what...
I was saying, I just want to say thank you so much, and I really appreciate it.
Yes. Let me just ask, what was your... How do you feel to be a winner?
I feel so great because this is a good little opportunity for me right now, because I actually really wanted it.
Well, a lot of people applied and definitely wanted it. As you understand, COVID-19 or still has severe impact on so many Jamaicans, right?
Yes.
But with
I am so happy to be that lucky winner.
yes, you are one. You are our Clarendon winner, because we're selecting 5 winners, 5 different parishes, right? So you are one of the 5.
I'm so happy right now. I am so happy.
Yes. All right. Tell me, how did you learn about the grocery grant, about Live Well Jamaica?
Well, at first, my sister sent it to me. Then, I saw you guys posting on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.
Yes.
And I followed you guys.
Yes.
And watched all the videos, and that's how I know about it.
Oh, great. And you followed all the instructions.
All the instructions.
I appreciate it. I just want to let you know that, look here, we know that COVID-19 has severely impacted all of us. I can say from my from my point of view as a parent, I have also been impacted in a great way. But just want to let you know that you are in this with us. We're doing it together. We're going through this pandemic together, and we're going to come out even stronger.
Wow. Okay.
Alright, so continue to follow Live Well Jamaica on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, take good care of yourself, or Clarendon winner.
And God bless you. Continue to do your good work, okay?
Thank you. Please follow the page because we have more opportunities coming up.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Alright, take care. Alright, so that's our conversation with our Clarendon winner. So you already, I know, if it is that you were following us initially, you would have seen or listened to our conversation with our Facebook with our Kingston winner, with our Trelawney winner, with our Portland winner, and now with our Clarendon winner. We have one more winner to call, right? Are you that winner? If you think you're the winner, please comment below, right? One more. And let me just say, this grocery grant, it is grocery grant program. This is our first stage of it. So the intention is to get or to help at least one family in each parish of Jamaica. So yeah, comment below. Why from it JA laugh? Yeah, comment below if it is that you intend to, that you think that, if you think that you're the winner. So the intention is that we will touch at least 14 families in Jamaica, and the rest is history as to what next we will do. We have so many things planned, especially for service clubs and charity organizations, but let us call our final winner. Can you guess the parish? Alright, producer, go ahead and call our final winner. Alright, the assistant producer is getting a little fussy. Alright, okay. So the producer is, okay. Assistant producer? Alright. Alright, assistant producer. We need to call. No, from it JA, we already have a winner from Portland. So I want to know if you can guess the parish or the next for the next winner. Caribbean Bone Marrow Registry says would like to make a donation to this cause. Amazing! Please send us a message and we will talk to you about that. As I was saying before, this is in it. You can no, you can pass it over to me. Alright, we're calling the final winner. Let me know if you guys are hearing the ring. Like if you're hearing the phone. Waiting.
I'm sorry, but
Uh-oh, let's give it another try. We are hoping that if it is, we're definitely going to announce the final winner today, you know. So, you know, if you know that you applied for the grocery grant, keep your phone beside you, alright? You hear Makeda say keep your phone beside you. Go ahead and try it one more time. So as I was telling you, if it is that you are interested in being a part of this initiative, please send me a direct message. Live Well Jamaica. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and we're on YouTube. I believe you can direct message on all those platforms. You can also send us an email at info. Well, you can send an email to info@livewellja.com. So put it on speaker. It's alright. Put it on speaker. You can put it on speaker and hand it over. Good evening, calling from Live Well Jamaica. Alright, did you apply for our COVID-19 grocery grant? Yes, you did? Well, look here, I am pleased to announce that you are our selected winner from Manchester. We say hold on, alright. Remember hold on, remember hold on, remember hold on, remember hold on. Oh God! Alright, alright. I'm not identifying your name, you're only being identified by your parish, right? How do you feel to be a winner? Congratulations. Alright, how did you learn about the grocery grant?
Someone sent the link on my phone.
Yes.
And my 16-year-old signed up.
Yes.
And they were saying, you should try. And I said, I'm not really lucky with things, so.
Yes.
So they said, we'll try. And she asked me what to write and stuff like that, and she did it.
Yes. So your 16-year-old wrote your application, that's what you're saying?
Yes, the farmer was here and she asked me what she can write and say.
That's amazing. That is amazing. Look here. I just want to let you know, congratulations, and Live Well Jamaica is with you throughout this period. We understand there are so many Jamaicans who were severely impacted by COVID-19, and we're still feeling the impact of this pandemic. But we're just letting you know that we are with you and we're going through this process together, and we're going to come out stronger, right? You can go ahead. I will. Our producer will call you after we end the live and give you more information as to how you can redeem your voucher. Let me just say that this voucher was, well, the grocery grant was made possible through the kind donation of nurse Tia Hamlet out of Canada, and through our Manchester. We have one supermarket partner in Manchester, so big up to that supermarket. Is there anything that you'd like to say to our sponsor and to our partner?
Well, first and foremost, I would like to say thanks to Father God and thanks to the sponsors that make it possible to help poor people. And thanks a lot. I don't have words to explain.
I understand. I get it. I get it. I get it. Look here. Please stay tuned. Say that again. You're most welcome. Please stay tuned to Live Well Jamaica on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, right? We have many more opportunities. So I know you have small children who probably want something to do. We're going to have some initiatives that they may be interested in. So please stay tuned and let us see how best we can work together through this pandemic. Alright, take care. So there you have it. We have announced our 5 winners of the Live Well Jamaica COVID-19 Grocery Grant Program. Kaisha is here and she says, congrats to the lucky winner. Thank you. Frame It J.A. say, amazing. Frame It J.A., thank you so much. You're one of our loyal viewers. Every week you come on. Did you apply for our grant? I'd love to know. Also, I want to say to all the persons who shared the information, shared the videos, shared the updates, many thanks. You helped so many Jamaicans to just get an opportunity to be heard. You understand? And even encouraged. We understand there were some people who were shortlisted, right? But they didn't get the call. I encourage you to look out for other opportunities. Live Well Jamaica. Okay. Alright, assistant producer. Live Well Jamaica intends to offer a series of initiatives for Jamaicans just to help you to, how should I say it now, to scale up the work that you're doing, especially for charities, service clubs and foundations. So please look out for that. If you see if your friend them now follow Live Well Jamaica on Instagram and Facebook, tell them, right? We have so many things rolling out right in 2020 into 2021. Nothing is cancelled over here. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. That is it in terms of the winner announcements, but we'll have so many more in store. If it is that you are interested in being a part of the initiative in terms of donating, please go ahead and send us an email. It is info@livewellja.com. So until another time, right? Live in peace, live in love, live well, Jamaica.